大家呢排好興做 MBTI 啦，跟住個個都話自己好 I 好 I。今次咧嚟到 Socotra 就要介紹俾大家睇，真係 I 嘅人係點樣。呢一個 caveman 洞穴人咧喺 Socotra 60年都係自己一個人住喺個山窿入面。今日啊，我哋要去攀山涉水咁去探訪下佢。呢個係我喺 Socotra 新識嘅朋友。Hello， 好近咯，我哋係2-3米嘅距離啫。成條海豚嘅骨。
Yes，
佢要餵我，希望我唔好肚餓。又係一啲唔係路嘅路啦。
I'm sorry。
每一刻都與世隔絕咁樣，好似喺一個荒島上面，好辛苦。
我行咗個幾鐘，沿住懸崖邊嘅小徑。
I'm sorry。
超唔好意思，佢幫我換咗佢自己對鞋。我真係極度唔靈活啊！我唔可以住喺個 cave 度，如果我日日咁樣翻屋企咧，唔知要行幾耐先可以翻到去。
腳底踩住一地碎石，冇路標冇信號，終於揾到佢。
Thank you。
前面係大海，山窿咧就係佢屋企，冇牆冇門冇鎖。如果唔係我親自嚟咧，我永遠都唔會信有人可以喺呢個地方住足60年，簡直係真人版泰山。
How old are you?
62。
You're 62? Oh my god！
冇人知佢真名，大家都叫佢 Caveman。
Present from Brazil。
哇！你送咗呢個串串俾我。What is that? It's orca teeth。哦，orca teeth。Oh my god！係鯨魚嘅牙。我個頭太大。
你睇
眼伸我個頭。
You okay?
Yeah。
I'm sorry. Tea is ready. I have tea. I have everything.
佢煮咗啲好好飲嘅熱茶俾我哋，但係真係好熱。
You're welcome. You're
哇
welcome.！
佢嘅戰鬥碗係個貝殼啊 ！Cheers！
跟住開始同我哋傾偈，佢竟然識得講中文、英文、意大利文、法文。
How long have you lived in the cave?
I don't know. My grandfather, grandmother, after my father, my mother, and now me. I born here. I remember here 5
Oh, you
kids.
were born in this cave.
Yeah, one of my brother born in the water.
Why is your English so good?
Yeah, your
From
English is
from tourists.
really good.
From tourists, I catch. No real, no rad. Only from tourists.
佢話係啲遊客教佢嘅，慢慢學，慢慢記。
He wants to learn English. When a lot of the tourists coming to this cave,
Yeah.
he learn a little bit.
Right.
words,
Yeah, I have problem.
Makes sense.
By
First,
the way, he speaks also.
Oh,
some
you
words.
speak Italian.
I speak Italian and come stay.
每嚟一個人，佢就學多少少。呢個就係佢同世界交流嘅方式。
佢識深深
Many
啲
Chinese,
喎。
Hong Kong speak like this.
佢指住前面嘅大海，同我哋講：佢個仔就喺嗰度出世。
He used the razor clamp very sharp cut the umbrella cord.
佢語氣平淡到咧，好似講緊啲咩家常便飯。原來淨係靠大自然都真係可以養活一個家庭。
Wait, can I see your phone for a second?
You have a phone. Oh my god.
Yeah,
What phone is that? iPhone or?
I don't know.
過咗一陣，佢竟然攞咗部手機出嚟，我以為自己睇錯。
People give me. He's from America. This man when he sleep with me here.
Can we have a look?
Look.
Oh wow.
係一部好多裂痕嘅舊智能電話。佢話係一個遊客送俾佢。
You take pictures?
Before new people come in here and we go to fishing, I go mountain. People looking for, hey, where are you? And now,
People call you.
where are you?
太陽能板咧就擺喺山窿門口，係佢唯一嘅科技產品。有時咧搬咗去城市度住嘅太太同細路就會打電話俾佢，間中翻嚟睇下佢，但係佢自己就從來都冇諗住要搬走。
平時咧佢就係咁樣行落去海邊揾嘢食噶啦，我哋而家就跟住佢覓食。
之後我哋行咗落海，佢跳入水潛咗一陣，攞咗幾隻生蠔同帶子翻嚟，當場打開切開即刻食。
I like this. This is sashimi.
小西米啊，不如小西米都食啊！
From
第一次食呢個真刺身係啱啱喺個海度拎出嚟，唔錯，幾好食喎！哇，好實喎！啊，第一個自己捉嘅帶子 ，It hurts. Ow! This is hard. 要用呢個邊咁樣 cut 佢出嚟。
冇調味冇豉油，佢話佢每日都係咁，一日3餐都可以喺海入面揾到晒。
Yes.
佢要餵我，好食，新鮮。 希望我唔好肚餓。
Come on.
Oh, is it good? It's actually pretty good.
我問佢點解佢可以成日都好似好開心，
佢就話 because I'm healthy。佢仲有15個仔女。原來呢個世界真係有好多唔同嘅人係有唔同嘅活法，但係佢係好 open 咯，即係就算佢係慣咗咁原始嘅生活，但係一啲新嘅嘢佢都好中意去接受。其實開心真係好簡單咯，唔需要好多嘢。大家嚟 Socotra 都一定要去探佢 Caveman。
如果你唔係一個容易開心嘅人，一定要嚟 Socotra。
Please let me know when you come to
Yes,
Hong Kong. I'll
yes.
show you around.
呢度嘅大自然會治癒到所有人。離開咗山窿，我嚟到 Dua Wah Lagoon。
終於爬咗上嚟啦，好癲啊！呢個景
呢度係成個 Socotra 最靚嘅海岸線，啲水好淺好清，顏色層次分明，由湖綠過到去到深藍，好似一幅畫咁。退潮嘅時候會變成一片淺灘，赤腳行落去都好舒服。
好靚啊！呢個海同夕陽，好慶幸自己一個人嚟咗。雖然咧啱啱出發之前我都仲係好驚，因為始終冇自己一個人去過旅行啦，仲要係去咁長途住呢個地方。但係嚟到呢個與世隔絕嘅小島咧，醫好咗我好多焦慮。我成日去旅行咧，都會同自己講要揀啲地方係 travel to places that make you feel small。即係我覺得 Socotra 就係一個咁樣地方。可能因為以前做律師嘅 training 啦，即係我對自己嘅要求咧，原來不知不覺間都幾高。我寫錯個字啊，做錯少少嘢，我就會猛咁鬧自己，猛咁好多 negative self-talk。得到一啲成就咧，都好容易就同自己講，好多人都做到啦，咪就係得你啦。而好少正面咁樣肯定自己。因為我覺得喺呢幾日咧，自己一個人反而多咗同自己嘅對話，多咗去諗究竟我想過嘅人生係點樣啦，我想做一個點樣嘅人啦。我覺得每個人咧都好需要一啲咁樣嘅 detox 嘅時間。外界嘅所有嘢、世俗嘅所有嘢，其他人嘅對你嘅任何評價都係唔重要嘅，你先係會同自己相處最耐嘅人咯。無論你嘅父母、你嘅另一半、你嘅朋友，你哋嘅關係幾好都好，陪你行到生命最終點嘅人，由始至終行完成世嘅人，只會得你自己。幾個當地嘅細路衝埋嚟拉住我隻手，一齊玩，一齊踢波。我一句阿拉伯文都唔識，佢哋都唔識英文。但當日我哋就係用笑容同陽光溝通。Your name again? Delisha? 你哋中意我嘅頭髮？後面就係嗰架火船。Lamb lamb. Yeah. Will you guys jump from the ship?
Yes.
Yeah. 表演跳水俾我睇啊 ！What's your name? Joseph. Joseph?
佢哋冇手機冇玩具，淨係得一個足球、一片海、一班朋友。
You scared? Scared?
突然覺得我自己都俾呢股純粹、透明、冇包裝嘅快樂感染咗。喺 Socotra 要開心真係好簡單，冇咩煩惱可以帶到去第二日。每日捉到啲咩就食啲咩，超大條。天氣好就出海，喺 Swaba Beach 我見到一大片純白嘅沙灘。當我哋離開之前嗰一刻呢，見到幾隻海豚跳咗出嚟，好近咯，同我哋係2-3米嘅距離，好似喺度跳舞咁，又好似咧係護送緊我哋離開。最後一晚，我自己一個人行咗上山坡，想睇埋喺 Socotra 嘅最後一個日落，坐喺石頭上面睇住個太陽慢慢沉沒。而我默默喺心入面收好咗一段人生最美好嘅時光。喺 Socotra 嘅最後一個日落，雖然我每日都蓬頭垢面啦，好樣衰，但係呢幾日呢，雖然一開頭覺得會好 hardcore，係我第一次人生一個禮拜 camp 4日，但係就冇想象中咁辛苦咯。最尾反而係有少少享受添，我係一個對我嚟講好難忘嘅旅程。會掛住呢度㗎。記得咧，我第一日 camping 嘅時候咧，其實係唔係瞓得好冧。而家個問題就係咧，我開唔到個結，每一刻都與世隔絕咁樣，好 hardcore 啊！啲風咧係大到你一定會聽到風聲，而夜晚又太靜，冇得碌手機，我超級唔慣。因為咧平時咧我一定係碌手機瞓覺，而我喺 Socotra 嘅日子咧係每日都好乖，好 aware 咁樣進入夢鄉。但去到最後一晚咧，我竟然有啲唔捨得，唔捨得呢度嘅山同水，唔捨得呢度詭異但係又堅強嘅植物， 唔捨得嗰啲我同呢度嘅人深夜嘅對話，唔捨得呢度簡單又純粹嘅人。Socotra 喺阿拉伯語入面呢，係指幸福之島。幸福唔係標準答案，係你有冇忠於自己去生活。我以前以為咧，快樂係要靠成功、靠掌聲、靠結果。但就算我攞住律師證嗰一刻，嗰個 suppose 係我人生嘅 highlight 嘅 moment， 都冇我蓬頭垢面喺 Socotra 咁快樂。好感動！原來人生可以有好多種活法，去愛你想愛嘅人，做你想做嘅事，睇你想睇嘅風景，一齊成為我哋想成為嘅人，一切都會變得更加好。記得 subscribe、like 同 share 出去，令到更加多人識得呢個冷門嘅地方。哇，好誇張啊！好感動。如果未睇之前嗰兩集《親臨奇境索科特拉篇》，記得睇返啦。我哋下條片再見啦！